Still using those uncomfortable, saggy camping chairs that ruin your outdoor trips? It's time for a massive upgrade. Meet the Portal Oversized Padded Camping Chair. Unlike ordinary chairs, this beast features a 16mm thick padding and a widened seat designed for ultimate couch-like comfort anywhere you go. It gives you multi-point support for your shoulders, back, and hips. Plus, with a heavy-duty steel frame, it easily holds up to 350 lbs. Perfect for everyone. And yes, even your furry friends. Look at the dimensions. It's extremely spacious, yet it folds down in seconds and fits right into its compact carry bag. Weighing just 8.8 lbs, taking comfort on the go has never been this easy. Stop settling for less. Click the link in the description or pinned comment below to grab your Portal camping chair on Amazon today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews.